the issue of what the Prime Minister's optics. Here's the Prime Minister, almost 2 months after COVID 2.0 has hit the country, coming before the nation. The last time he was addressing the nation in this manner was in the month of April. Lots of people have died in this period. There's been a lot of tragedy. The Prime Minister now comes and says, look, I'm reversing vaccine policy. Do you believe it is too little, too late, as some are suggesting? Or at the end of the day, the Prime Minister's equity is such that he can now claim, look, I'm going to get things going. I was being blocked by the states. Give me a chance again.
Rajdeep, yes, indeed, the second round of the hit that the people in India, especially to the north of the Vindhyas, in states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, even Delhi, the kind of hit that people have taken, we have taken, is unimaginable agony. And the Prime Minister, he owes his route to power in the center through the city of Varanasi. And I can tell you that I have been speaking to people who are really loyalists, such firm admirers of the Prime Minister, that even today in death, disaster and agony, they do not talk of the Prime Minister by name, but they say they feel they have been let down. It's not just the vaccines, the agony that people have gone through in these parts of the country.
You don't think today's speech softens the blow in any way?
No. I mean, last night I've been interviewing agricultural labor in Gorakhpur, in Sajanwa, Gorakhpur rural, and people have said 10 to 20 vaccinations per day, whereas we need lakhs. Even rural people are saying that by the time one round of Covishield will happen, it will take us over a year. Madam, tab tak ye bimari koi aur swaroop le lega. So to the extent that the Prime Minister came and spoke to the people of India and called this Adrishya Roop Wala, this disease, he referred to it as Adrishya Roop Wala, and then he went on to refer to the Chechak vaccination plan, and he also said logon ko saalon tak intezar karna pada. And last night I interviewed people and they said exactly the same thing. And they said, इस बीमारी को अगर आप हमको रोक ही नहीं पाएंगे, तो जितना आप कर भी लेते हैं, वो भी पानी हो जाएगा.
Okay,
so remember, above and below the optics, there is suffering, there is disease that is not coming out in the open, and people are talking about the fact that they are not covered enough. The quantum is simply not enough. So simply pushing the onus onto the states is not going to be enough. What is it that we need? How much do we need?
Can I just stop you for a moment on that?
Yes.